In the last episode of the sailing family, I landed in Athens and went to Kalamata to make Maya, our sailing vessel, fit for the Ionian Sea crossing. Moreover, I had a one-day fast-learning skipper training. In this episode you will see the Ionian Sea crossing and my first real attempt in sailing. The morning started early and I used the time to fill up water again and to install the radar reflector.
Are you planning to come back? Because your contract will expire 14 of August.
This is my contact.
Your contract?
Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.
Have a nice trip.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
After returning from the mariner's office, my friend Thomas had already arrived and was waiting on Maya. Because I didn't want to do my first sailing turn alone, I had asked Thomas to join me because he has more sailing experience than me. After having checked all the wind charts, we decided to start and to sail to Pylos, where we planned to stay for the first night. As the wind blew in the opposite direction we wanted to sail, we decided to take the engine, because our plan was to reach Pylos before the thumb down. After having left the bay of Kalamata, we were totally stoked of the nice scenery. But the waves got bigger and we only made 3 to 4 knots anymore. We realized that we won't be able to reach Pylos in time. So I had to do my first maneuver in the marina during the night. It was not perfect, but okay. And because we both were very hungry, we checked some delicious Greek food in Pylos.
Nomi, dolmades, and meat, rice, cabbage, beef fillet, chicken, meatballs, fricadelle, chick beans, no meat, spinach beans, no meat, lamb potatoes, lamb onion stifado, pasticcio, spaghetti with bechamel, fish orata fresh, stuffed calamari, moussaka calamari, verdura, zucchini, patato, basil, imam. One imam, one zucchini. Artiso, very good.
3 for me? 3? It's possible? Yeah. Not too much?
Not much.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye.
When I woke up next morning, I was fascinated from the nice bay. Today we want to start the crossing over the Ionian Sea So it's about 300 nautical miles which we have to go till we will reach Sicily. And the weather condition, especially the wind condition, are, I hope, okay, because I have seen on the charts that the wind is very low. We will have about 5 to 10 knots, so I hope we will get some more wind. And today we fill up some fuel again, because maybe we have to go with the engine, and 300 nautical miles we will need some more fuel. And because the clock works different in Greece, we had to wait over 2 hours till the man with the petrol arrived at Mohr. After he had filled up the fuel, we started immediately. Now we pass the port of exit of Greece in the direction of Sicily. Highlight of the day were 2 dolphins, but we were too late for filming, and now about 0.43 nautical miles a big ship passes by, a container ship, and you can see it here. Big one, big one. The next days on the Ionian Sea crossing were very different. A permanent change of flat water, wind and waves, followed by waves with no wind. We got a good routine with sailing, eating and sleeping. But after the second night, Thomas got seasick for the first time of his life. It was a result of the combination of waves and no wind. The boat was going up and down for hours.
Night number 2 on the Ionian Sea crossing, and it was really hard because Thomas is seasick, so I had to stay out for the night. But it's okay, doing we have to go with the engine again, and we have about 90 sea miles to go.
But his recreation was quite good, and after 24 hours he was fit again. I changed the flag from Greece to Italy and used the flat water for relaxing after a night without sleeping.
This is Thomas, a little bit stoked after his seasickness. but he can laugh again.
Moreover, we had the luck to see some dolphins.
Now we see land, so we made it. Almost 40.
One more night.
One more night, 14 nautical miles till we reach Italy in front of us.
After another night on the boat, we reached Messina harbor.
Morning.
How are you?
Fine. Slept well.
Slept some hours today?
Some hours.
Some minutes.
Some minutes. Okay.
Some minutes we will arrive at the Strait of Messina. It's now 5 o'clock in the morning. The third night at the Ionian Sea crossing. And yeah, we reach Italy here in Messina, the Strait of Messina. You can see behind me the sunset. Very nice. Here you can see the biggest active volcano of Italy, directly in Sicily, the Etna. Have a look at it. In the next episode you will see what happened there, and we will reach San Vito lo Capo, a very nice spot on the southeast coast of Sicily, where the rest of the crew of the sailing family was waiting for us.